terminar, tenemos que mencionar que en el rock se utilizan varios instrumentos. Podéis ver aquí batería, bajo eléctrico. Lo clásico suele ser una o dos guitarras o teclados, son los más habituales, pero también pueden aparecer instrumentos como saxo, violín, trikitisa y demás.
Bueno, kontzertua ja bukatzen doa, baina bukatu horretik orkestuko dizuegu musikoak, bale? Teklauan, Goio eta Gorka. Txalo bero bat. Baterian, Gaizka. Bajuan, Francisco Javier. Eta Álvaro, Josu, Pedro eta Ramon, gitarra eta botxekin. Eta gero bideoa jartzen Inigo egonda.
Bueno, para despedirnos vamos a escuchar Hard to Handle de Otis Redding. Es un tema de estilo soul, un estilo que surge en la comunidad afroamericana en Estados Unidos y es uno de los orígenes del rock. También escucharemos Can't Stop the Feeling de Justin Timberlake, que conoceréis, para que podáis ver una vez más el parecido entre la música de antes y la de ahora. Y sin más, nos despedimos y un aplauso para los compañeros.
Mama, and show her the kind of love that's around. Action, speed on words and a man and a great experience. I love you, another man, but you can love you better than him. Take my hand, don't be afraid, let it do baby what I'm saying. I'm never accepting love for free, and you can please your candidate. Boys and girls who don't stand the dozen, it ain't nothing but just love. Hey, little thing, let me light you come to cause mama, I'm sure I'll handle now, that's around. Oh, no, the handle now. Candle cause mama, I'm sure I'm the kind of love that's around. Oh no, oh no, the handle now. Baby, baby, a good loving. Baby, a good loving. Baby, a good loving, yeah. Inside my bones, it goes electric, I wanna turn it on. All through my city, all through my home. We're flying up, no sailing when you aren't so. I get sunshine in my pocket, oh that sun in on my feet. I feel floating and a puppet when it drums. I can take my eyes off it, moving so permanently. You will like to wear your rocket, so don't stop. Under the lights, when everything goes, nowhere to hide, when nobody knows. When we move, we already know. So just imagine, nothing I can see but just when you dance, dance, dance. Feeling good, but creeping up when you stand, stand. All those things that should do you, that you stand, stand, stand. But you don't snap about the it could be dance, dance. Can't stop the feeling. Can't stop the feeling. Want something maker? It's in the air. It's in my blood. It's rushing on. I don't need reason, don't need control. It flies so I'm not sailing when I'm on fun. Outside, protection in my pocket, but with floating on my feet. I feel drop blood in my body when it drums. I can take my eyes off it, coming off a melody. You're gonna like the way we rock it, so don't drop.